Hi again, I'm Dory, and I'm here to answer a question from Monkey. Monkey would like to know, how do plants absorb water from the soil? Great question, Monkey. It's all about the roots, or more specifically, the root hairs. These tiny pieces of the plant absorb most of the water a plant gets from the soil around them through a combination of two processes, osmosis and transpiration. Osmosis is how water flows across a semi-permeable membrane from a high concentration to a low concentration. So what does that mean? A semi-permeable membrane is like a filter that allows smaller molecules, like water, to move back and forth through it, while larger ones won't fit. Since the water can move in either direction, it eventually reaches a balance point where the amount of water compared to other chemicals on either side of the membrane balances out. When it comes to water and root cells, the water can either flow between cells, go through cell membranes from one cell to the next, or use special connectors between cells called plasmodesmata to move deeper into the plant. While osmosis can happen in any location, transpiration is responsible for most of the water that moves through a plant. It all comes down to pressure. Once the water is able to pass through the root cells, it gets to a part of the plant called the endodermis. This section acts like a filter as the water moves to specialized cells called the xylem. Water in the xylem cells is pulled upward toward the leaves as water evaporates from tiny holes in leaves called stomata. It's similar to drinking something with a straw. As long as there's pressure and liquid available, the drink keeps moving up the tube. In plants, the pressure is caused by water evaporating from the stomata. The stomata can open or close depending on factors like light, temperature, water, and how much carbon dioxide is built up in the leaf. This controls the flow of molecules in and out of the plant. This process pulls the water further down the plant up until the water is able to evaporate, so the root cells are always absorbing more water to keep the process going. Scientists call this movement of water the soil-plant atmosphere continuum. Thank you for watching this episode of Ask Starbase, and a special thank you to Monkey for asking us this question. If you have a STEM question, please email it to ask@starbase-ct.com, or you can go to our website, starbase-ct.com, to submit your question there. In the meantime, stay safe and be well. Bye!